The 3D cursor is used as the origin for any add object, can be used and moved with the snap tools, and is an option for the pivot point. So you can see this is for the 3D cursor. And if you want to move this 3D cursor, you can press shift button, hold, and then right click, like in this area, the 3D cursor will be moved. So if you want to move the cursor into the center point of this object, you can select the object, press shift plus S, and then you can click cursor to select it. The cursor will be moved into the center of this box object. I will move again the cursor into here, press shift buttons, and then right click. Now I will move this box into this 3D cursor. You can press shift button plus S, and then you can use this option selection to cursor. You also can use the snap tools. You can click this icon to activate the snap, and then you can click the drop down menu. There are a lot of options for snap, like you can snap in the grid, and then you can press shift button and right click, hold. It will be snapping into the grid, and you can move the selection, this box, into the cursor. I will change again into another snap. I will use the edge, so it will be set into edge for snapping, or you can set into vertex to be snapping into vertex of this box object. The other, you also can create in the center of the edge, then change again for snapping into at center. You can snap in the middle points of this edge.